A radiologist in Boston just lost a diagnosis to a machine. Not eventually, already. Stanford researchers tested an AI system against experienced radiologists reading chest X-rays for a specific lung condition. The AI caught cases the doctors missed. This is not a warning about the future. This is happening in hospitals right now. Before we go further, if stories like this matter to you, hit subscribe now, because we cover exactly this kind of real, documented development every single week, not speculation. Today, we are covering 7 specific things AI will do better than humans by 2027. Not vague predictions, but real, documented capabilities already proven in real institutions with real names attached. Some of these will surprise you. One of them might genuinely worry you. Let us start with the one most people already suspect. 1. Reading medical scans. Google's DeepMind developed an AI system that was tested against expert radiologists reading mammograms for breast cancer detection. The published results in the journal Nature showed the AI reduced both false positives and false negatives compared to the human radiologist in the study. Here is why that matters practically. A false negative means a radiologist tells you the scan is clear when it is not. A false positive means unnecessary biopsies, unnecessary fear, unnecessary cost. AI is not replacing the radiologist's judgment entirely, but on the specific task of pattern detection and imaging, it is already outperforming trained specialists in controlled studies. But scans are not the only place AI is quietly winning. 2. Detecting fraud in real time. Every major bank in America, JPMorgan Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, now runs AI fraud detection systems that analyze transaction patterns in milliseconds. A human fraud analyst reviewing your account might take hours to notice something wrong. The AI system flags it before the transaction even finishes processing. Mastercard's AI fraud detection system, which the company has publicly discussed, analyzes trillions of data points to catch fraudulent transactions faster than any human team ever could. This is not a future capability. This has already prevented billions of dollars in fraud losses. Think about what that means the next time your card gets declined for no obvious reason. That was not a mistake. That was likely AI doing exactly what it was built to do, faster than a person ever could. Here is what nobody talks about with this one, though. 3. Translating language in real time. Human interpreters train for years and still struggle with speed, accents, and specialized vocabulary. Google Translate and Microsoft's real-time translation tools now handle conversational translation across over 100 languages instantly on a phone you already own. At the United Nations, human interpreters remain essential for high-stakes diplomatic settings where nuance and accountability matter. But for everyday situations, a hospital visit, a business call, a phone conversation with a family member who speaks a different language, AI translation is already faster, and in many documented tests, comparably accurate to a general human translator. That is not replacing an expert. That is replacing a barrier that used to stop ordinary conversations entirely. 4. Spotting cybersecurity threats. This is the one that should matter most to you personally. Microsoft's security division reported that its AI-powered threat detection systems process over 65 trillion signals every single day, identifying attack patterns no human security team could track manually. When a hacking attempt happens against a bank, a hospital, or a company holding your personal information, AI is now the first line of defense, not a person watching a screen. Here is the curiosity gap worth sitting with. If AI is better at catching cyber attacks, why do data breaches still happen constantly? The honest answer is speed of attack versus speed of defense. Criminals are now using AI too. It is an arms race, not a solved problem. But the defensive side is measurably stronger with AI involved than without it. 5. Predicting equipment failure. This one saves real money and real safety risk. Airlines including Delta and United use AI systems to predict when aircraft components will fail before they actually do, based on sensor data patterns invisible to human maintenance crews. General Electric's AI-powered predictive maintenance systems are used across power plants, railways, and manufacturing facilities nationwide. A human mechanic checks a part on a schedule. AI monitors it continuously and catches the pattern that precedes failure, sometimes weeks in advance. That difference has already prevented equipment failures that could have cost lives, not just money. But here is the trend connecting everything so far. Every one of these 5 things involves pattern recognition across massive amounts of data, faster than any human brain physically can process. 6. Writing first draft legal documents. Harvey AI, a legal technology company backed by OpenAI, is now used by major law firms to draft contracts, review documents, and conduct legal research in a fraction of the time it takes a junior associate. The AI does not replace the attorney's judgment, but the first draft, the document review, the case law search that used to take hours now takes minutes. JPMorgan's legal team uses an internal AI system called Coin that reviews commercial loan agreements in seconds, work that previously consumed thousands of hours of lawyer time annually. That is not a prediction. That has been running inside JPMorgan since 2017 and has only expanded since. 7. Monitoring your heart around the clock. This is the one that affects your daily life most directly, and it is already sitting on your wrist. The Apple Watch's AI-powered heart monitoring has documented cases of detecting atrial fibrillation in users who had no symptoms and no idea anything was wrong. A doctor sees you for 15 minutes twice a year. Your watch monitors your heart rhythm continuously, every single day, and flags irregularities no annual checkup would ever catch in time. This is not about replacing your doctor. It is about catching the problem in the 3-month gap between appointments when something actually goes wrong. Let us bring this all together. Number 1. AI is already outperforming radiologists on specific cancer detection tasks documented in Nature. Number 2. Banks like JPMorgan Chase and Mastercard catch fraud in milliseconds using AI, faster than any human team. Number 3. Real-time AI translation is removing everyday language barriers that used to stop ordinary conversations. Number 4. Microsoft's AI security systems process 65 trillion signals daily, defending against threats no human team could track manually. Number 5. Airlines and General Electric use AI to predict equipment failure before it happens, preventing both cost and safety risk. Number 6. Harvey AI and JPMorgan's Coin system are already doing legal work that used to take lawyers thousands of hours. Number 7. Your Apple Watch is monitoring your heart continuously, catching problems your annual doctor visit never could. None of these are predictions about some distant future. Every single one is already running, right now, in real institutions with real names attached. If this video showed you something you did not expect, hit like and subscribe. We cover exactly this kind of real, documented AI development every single week. Not hype, not fear, just what is actually happening. Here is my honest question for the comments. Out of these 7, which one do you actually trust AI to do better than a human? And which one still makes you want a real person double-checking the work? Tell me which one and why. I read every single comment below.